Fuck you, Matthew McLaughlin. Oh yeah, you go down.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Jeremy and David here for Casual Mode with a very
Fuck you, fuck
special...
you, fuck 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 you. You see these, huh? Yeah, you see my middle fingers, huh?
He can't see you because you're not on video. Anyway, we are back here because, as you can probably tell by the title of this video, there is an update on the situation with one Matthew McLaughlin in California, the author of the so-called Sodomite Suppression Act.
Suck my balls.
If you'll let me read the story. This comes from the Sacramento Bee, by way of writer Jeremy B. White. Nice name there. The Jeremy part, anyway. Attorney General Kamala Harris does not need to advance a widely reviled ballot initiative authorizing the murder of homosexuals, a Sacramento Superior Court ruled. The so-called Sodomite Suppression Act has been condemned across the political spectrum. It has prompted both legislation seeking to raise the initiative filing fee and a debate about whether the Attorney General can halt clearly unconstitutional ideas contained in citizen initiatives. Saying that she did not want to be, quote, in the position of giving any legitimacy, unquote, to the initiative, Harris asked to be relieved of her official duty of preparing the measure's title and summary, a necessary step before proponents can collect signatures. Judge Raymond M. Cade, not quite sure how his last name is pronounced here, granted that request on a Monday decision that became public today, effectively halting the initiative's progress. The proposed initiative, Cade wrote, is patently unconstitutional on its face, and forcing it to clear it for circulation, quote, would be inappropriate, waste public resources, generate unnecessary divisions among the public, and tend to mislead the electorate, end quote. In a statement, Harris lauded the judgment, quote, this proposed act is the product of bigotry, seeks to promote violence, is patently unconstitutional, and has no place in the civil society. I applaud the court's decision to block its title and summary. My office will continue to fight for the rights of all Californians to live free from hatred and intolerance. So yes, as David said, shock it. Shock it, Trebek. In all seriousness, this, for one thing, does provide a legal precedent that no one can use this procedure to suppress the rights of any other group for whatever reason.
It was so bad, he didn't want to defend it like a little bitch.
Yeah, part of the reason why this didn't make it into the petitioning phase is because he never even showed up into court to defend his own bill.
Well, shit, when even conservatives are condemning this bill, then you definitely have fucked up. Even the hardest of conservatives were going at this bill and going like, no.
Yeah, clearly he knew, somehow he knew that at some point he realized, oh, I am so screwed. Well, giving up on this shit. So, this is a day for celebration. Congratulations to the legal system of California for doing something, well, really, that was both patently obvious and quite a very important precedent to make.
This really wasn't a homophobia issue. This was a human decency issue, more than anything else. I mean, who would, even if you were against gay marriage in their right mind, would want to shoot down an entire sexual orientation of people just because they disagree with you? Doesn't make any sense to me.
Yeah, and the fact that it was also shot down as unconstitutional basically establishes now that you can't, blatantly try to suppress someone's rights and say that you're defending the Constitution or you're defending your heritage now, which is another thing that's come up recently with certain actions by certain jackasses in, say, Charleston. Because,
you mean the Confederate flag?
Yeah.
That one a little bit less offensive.
You can't hide behind the Constitution anymore because the Constitution clearly says, promote the general welfare, not promote just the welfare of white Christian males with money. So, anyway, that's it. That's all that we've got for this. If you want to let us know what you think about this decision, drop us a comment below. Feel free to subscribe to our channel. Of course, there's also all the other various different ways you can get a hold of us. David?
CasualModePodcast.com. That's all I'm going to do. You can go with links there.
So, until next time, I'm Jeremy.
David.
Later, y'all, and fuck you, Matthew McLaughlin.
I was going to do that.